Hey guys, that's Corporate Rice here. Hope you guys enjoy this series. You might want to take and pause some of these right here, because they're going to go through pretty fast actually, because there's quite a few pictures. But look at these shapes right here, and look at the edges, and I mean like 90-degree angles and stuff with perfect straight lines. It's wild. I mean, look at that right there. What are these strange symbols we're seeing up in the sky right now, in the clouds? I mean, is it something from God? Or is it something else? I mean, I wouldn't doubt one bit it being God, because God is the creator of all things. That's my opinion and that's my belief. I won't push that on you, but, you're free to interpret this any way you see fit. But yeah, you might want to pause some of these. Coming up right through here, it's going to look like a portal up in the sky here in a minute. It's pretty cool. But look at this right here. That's wild looking right there. I mean, you see letters all the time up in the sky, and these strange looking, just right here to the left, you'll see like a portal after these shapes right here, which is wild too, because I've filmed several of these at several different times. Right there, with the light coming through it, and you can see like the clouds coming through the big hole in the clouds. That's wild looking. It's like a river, like a stream of light going through it. But you guys take care. I'm signing off.